Here, pay attention. Here is the situation. The light blue indicator crosses the blue indicator from top to bottom, and the yellow indicator also shows us the direction down. And just assure, no problem. I'm very happy with this deal. Hi, I'm Emily. Before the start of the video, I want to inform you that I have an author's Telegram channel where I conduct trading sessions, live streams and answer to your questions. If you want to be a member of my community, then go to my Telegram channel and write to me in private messages. I want to join the VIP. See you! Watch this video until the end and I will tell you about my trading guide, which you can get today absolutely for free. Hello friends, in the comments under my past videos you asked me to show you a very simple and clear strategy that even a beginner can repeat. You asked, I did. Let me show it to you. We start of course by launching Pocket Options, my favorite trading platform. I left a link to it in the description below this video. And we begin to set the necessary settings. Choose chart types, candles, time frame 1 minute. The trade execution time is strictly 2 minutes, that is 2 candles. Next, go to the Indicators tab and select Zig Zag and Moving Average twice. That is, in total we will display 3 lines, the Zig Zag indicator and 2 moving averages. Choose settings for the Zig Zag indicator. Deviation 5, step 3, track step 3, click Save. Next, select the settings for the first moving average indicator. Period 2, moving average SMA. Go to the settings of the first indicator. Period 5, moving average SMA. Don't forget to click Save. So friends, how do we find the entry point in this strategy? Look, we first need to find the intersection of the 2 lines of the moving average indicators. Here, look, the light blue line crosses the blue line from the bottom up. And this is already for us the initial sign that we need to open a deal for higher. Now we need to confirm our hypothesis with the Zig Zag indicator. It is this yellow indicator that will show us the direction of our trade, whether the candles will go up or down. That is, thus we need to first mark the intersection of 2 moving lines. And at this very moment the Zig Zag indicator should show us the direction of the candles. Here, pay attention. Here is the situation. The light blue indicator crosses the blue indicator from top to bottom, and the yellow indicator also shows us the direction down. This is the best time to open a 2 candles down bet. The most important thing in this strategy is not to wait until the candle next to which the light blue and blue lines crossed closes. Here you cannot wait for this, but immediately open a deal. Friends, before moving on to the practical development of my new trading strategy, I promised to tell you about my author's trading guide. My guide is a collection of my rules for organizing money management, which will help you earn big money on trading without loss. Today you can get my guide for free. What you need to do, follow the link in the description of this video to my Telegram channel, subscribe to it and write to me in private messages, I want a guide. Do it right now and thank me later, and we move on to practice. Let's return to our interesting strategy and let's finally test it in practice. So I find the first situation. Open a trade down by 2 candles. Wait. And yes, so friends, we didn't have any problems with the first trade. Great. Let's move on. Friends, I will be glad for any of your activity. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, to my Telegram channel, put likes and write comments. I do it for you. I find the second entry situation. All the conditions are met. I open a deal. And look, our second deal is coming to an end. And just assure, no problem. I'm very happy with this deal. And guys, here is the third situation. Lines crossed and zigzag showing down direction. Entering trade down. Little bit nervous, but still got my third win in the row. So friends, what can I say about this strategy? The strategy is very simple. The indicators we use simply show us good situations for entering trades. Therefore, I can safely recommend this strategy to all traders, both beginners and experienced ones, because this strategy really shows confident results without any problems. Thank you for watching, friends. I hope I was helpful to you today. If so, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel, then Telegram channel, like and write comments. See you in the next video. Bye!